Xano is a cloud-based platform that lets you build backend systems like databases and APIs without coding. It uses a visual, drag-and-drop interface ideal for beginners wanting to quickly prototype apps. Key components include a visual database builder, where you don't need SQL, API endpoints that are auto-generated, RESTful APIs from your database, and workflows and functions, which are visual scripts for business logic. Sign up for a free account at xano.com to get started. Start by creating your database. Click Add Database in the Xano dashboard, give it a name like MyAppDB, then add tables with fields such as name, email, and password. Now use the API Builder to create endpoints. Generate a Get Users endpoint to query your database and return user data. Add workflows to your endpoints. For example, attach a workflow to filter data based on user input, like searching by email. Test your API using Xano's built-in tester. Run the endpoint to ensure it returns the expected data correctly. Connect Xano to front-end tools like Bubble. Copy your API URL and paste it into your front-end app to fetch data. Implement authentication using JWT. Xano supports JD tokens for secure user login and access control.